Today we're diving into a topic that is absolutely essential for every single part of your body to function: minerals. Now, when you think of nutrition, you probably think of vitamins, protein, carbs, but let's be honest, minerals often get overlooked. They are the unsung, behind-the-scenes heroes of your health. Think of it this way: if your body is a high-tech machine, vitamins are the mechanics that help tune everything up, but minerals are the actual building materials and the crucial lubricants that make sure every gear turns, every circuit fires, and every structure stays strong. If you've ever felt sluggish, had muscle cramps, or worried about your bone health, there's a good chance a mineral is involved. We're talking about things you literally can't live without. We're going to break down all the major players, from the big hitters you need in large amounts to the tiny, mighty trace minerals. We'll cover what they do and, most importantly, where you can find them in your daily diet. Let's get mineral rich. Part 1. The macro majors, macrominerals. The first group is what we call macro minerals. These are the minerals your body needs in larger quantities, hence the name macro. They are your structural heavy lifters. 1. Calcium, the bone boss. First up, the most famous mineral of them all, calcium. You probably already know calcium is the main ingredient in strong bones and teeth, making up over 99% of the calcium in your entire body. It's what keeps you upright and mobile. But here's a surprise: that last 1% is arguably even more important for survival. This small amount circulating in your blood is crucial for muscle contraction, including your heartbeat, nerve transmission, allowing your brain to talk to your body, blood clotting when you get a cut. If you don't get enough from your diet, your body will actually steal it from your bones to keep those critical heart and nerve functions going. This is why long-term low intake leads to problems like osteoporosis. Where to find it? Dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, fortified plant-based milks, dark leafy greens like kale and broccoli, and canned fish with bones like sardines. 2. Magnesium, the relaxing regulator. Next, let's talk about magnesium. If calcium is the builder, then magnesium is the incredibly talented project manager. It is involved in over 300 different biochemical reactions in the body. That's a huge job. People often call it nature's relaxant. Its primary roles include energy production. It's vital for converting the food you eat into usable energy. If you're feeling fatigued, magnesium might be the missing piece. Muscle nerve function. It helps your muscles relax after calcium makes them contract, which is why a deficiency can cause leg cramps. Sleep quality. It helps regulate neurotransmitters that are calming, aiding in a good night's rest. Where to find it? Leafy green vegetables. Spinach is a superstar. Nuts, especially almonds and cashews. Seeds, legumes, and whole grains. 3. Potassium Sodium, the fluid duo. We have to talk about potassium and sodium together because they are the ultimate balancing act. They are electrolytes, meaning they help conduct electrical impulses in your body and manage fluid balance, the key to healthy blood pressure. Potassium's role. Potassium's primary job is to work inside your cells. It helps maintain a regular heartbeat, supports healthy muscle contraction, and generally helps offset the effects of too much sodium. Sodium's role. Sodium works mainly outside your cells. It helps control the amount of water in your body and is essential for nerve signaling. The typical modern diet often has too much sodium and not enough potassium. A good balance of the two is critical for cardiovascular health. Where to find potassium? Bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, spinach, and beans. Where to find sodium? It's everywhere, especially in processed and packaged foods, but the best form is unrefined salt in moderation. 4. Phosphorus, the energy partner. Phosphorus is another mineral that works hand in hand with calcium. It's the second most abundant mineral in your body. It's not just for bones and teeth. A huge part of its job is forming ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. ATP is literally the energy currency of your cells. No phosphorus, no energy. Simple as that. Where to find it? It's quite easy to get because it's found in protein-rich foods like meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and legumes. Part 2. The trace tribe, trace minerals. Now let's move on to the trace minerals. These are the ones your body needs in very small amounts, think milligrams or even micrograms. But don't let the small dose fool you. They are incredibly potent and absolutely non-negotiable for critical body functions. 5. Iron, the oxygen carrier. Iron is probably the most famous trace mineral. Why? Because it's the mineral that allows your blood to carry oxygen. Iron is a core component of hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells that picks up oxygen in your lungs and delivers it everywhere else, to your brain, your muscles, your toes. If you don't have enough iron, you develop anemia, which is why the main symptoms are fatigue, weakness, and feeling cold. You're quite literally not getting enough oxygen distributed efficiently. Where to find it? Red meat, poultry, beans, lentils, spinach, and fortified cereals. 6. Zinc, the immune system MVP. Zinc has gained a lot of attention in recent years, and for good reason. It's the immune system's most valuable player. Zinc is involved in cell division, wound healing, and is a key player in countless enzyme reactions. Most importantly, it helps keep your immune system strong. Taking zinc at the start of a cold can even help shorten its duration. It also plays a huge role in your sense of taste and smell. If food starts tasting bland, a zinc deficiency could be the cause. Where to find it? Oysters, a huge source. Red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and dairy. 7. Iodine, the metabolic master. Iodine is a mineral with one absolutely vital specific job. It is required to make thyroid hormones. Your thyroid gland, located in your neck, is the master regulator of your entire metabolism. It controls how fast or how slow your body uses energy. Without enough iodine, your thyroid can't make its hormones, leading to a condition called a goiter, or more seriously, low metabolism and developmental issues in children. Where to find it? Iodized salt, seaweed, very high, fish, dairy products, and eggs. 8. Selenium, the antioxidant protector. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of it as microscopic bodyguards fighting off cellular rust. It's also essential for proper thyroid function and plays a critical role in reproductive health. Where to find it? The absolute best source is Brazil nuts. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can give you your entire daily requirement. It's also found in seafood and meat. 9. Copper, the iron helper. Finally, let's mention copper. Copper is an often forgotten mineral that is essential for a handful of things, but its most crucial role is making sure your body can use iron properly. It helps form red blood cells and connective tissue, and it maintains nerve cells. You can have plenty of iron, but if you're low on copper, your body might struggle to utilize that iron effectively. Where to find it? Organ meats, shellfish, whole grains, beans, and nuts. Part 3, the takeaway. So there you have it, a tour of the essential mineral kingdom inside your body. The bottom line here is a happy and simple one. Variety is the key to mineral success. You heard me mention a lot of the same foods over and over again. Nuts, seeds, whole grains, leafy greens, legumes, and lean proteins. Nature has already packaged these minerals perfectly for us. You don't need to track every milligram of every mineral, but if you focus on a diverse, whole food diet, you are giving your body all the tools it needs to build, repair, and thrive. If you have a very restricted diet, maybe you're vegan or you have a known absorption issue, that's when it's smart to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian about whether a targeted supplement might be right for you. But for most of us, the plate is where the power is. Which of these minerals surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more simple health breakdowns, and share this video with a friend who needs to know why their sweet potato is a nutritional powerhouse. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.